Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephen Adetolu. So today I just want to share my personal story, my personal journey, how it all started. The three factors, okay, that propelled me, that transformed me towards starting my online business. Okay, many years ago, I think the year was 2009, and I was a sales supervisor. I work for a very reputable organization. I had a truck, filled with merchandisers. We'll go out almost on a daily basis, to canvas for sales. And for me, that was all. That was the best for me in life until I read the book, Think and Grow Rich. Okay, in this book, Napoleon Hill transformed the way I think. It opened my eyes to what I didn't know I had, which was value. Napoleon Hill in the book said he was going to reveal some secrets, okay? And he didn't specifically say in what page, but he said when you continue reading, you will find it. Some will find it in the first chapter, some in the last, some in the middle. I found mine, and it was simply my thought could be transformed into money. He went on in the book to say he would teach me how to write my paycheck. And for me, I was stagnated. Believe me, I didn't know I could do more with my life. I didn't know I could earn more. For me, that was the best that life could give. I never thought I could be a manager. I could grow through the cadre. In fact, at that point in time, I was the least paid in the organization. But this is not the story anymore. This book is the first factor that changed my life. Napoleon Hill changed my life through the pages of this book. It opened my eyes to what was possible, to my potential that I never knew existed. Okay, this is the first. Okay, the first factor. The next factor was the fact that I started reading Success Digest. If you are in Nigeria, Success Digest is a famous entrepreneurial magazine, weekly. Was it weekly? I think weekly. I am based in Jos, but you know what they say about the mind. Once there is the will, okay, you would find the way, or the way will open up. I'm based in Jos, but Success Digest was produced, published, and distributed in Lagos. How I got it here in Jos on a weekly basis is still a miracle. That's the power of the mind. I read it every other week. I think it was 100 naira then. I read it sometimes when it doesn't come, I call my friends in Lagos or Kaduna. Wherever they have it, I pay extra to get it shipped to me. Just one copy. I still have copies of the old magazines. Okay. This book, at that time, internet marketing was still new in Nigeria. But this man, Dr. Sonny Ojagbese, opened the Nigerian market to the possibility of the internet market. That's the online business. Okay, I attended one of his boot camp, and the rest they say is history. My dear friends, that magazine rather, Success Digest, is another major factor that uh, that activated my desire for starting an online business. In fact, after reading uh, Think and Grow Rich, Success Digest, I started thinking of what I can do beside my job. It became obvious that my job alone would not meet my needs. I needed more. I knew I had more, but I needed ways, means to actualize my desire. I knew I want to live a better life. I want to give my children the best of life. I just want the best that life could offer. I want to live a life of options, for me. But I knew it was not going to happen in my job. I knew I needed another outlet where I could do my business, where I could do my thing. So following the Success Digest story, I started my own business. I registered a company, okay, Smart Brains Impact Math Solution, where I had acquired skills to do web development. I'm very good with WordPress, for instance, okay. So I will do WordPress for people. Then it was Blogger, but we transitioned to WordPress. And my company, Smart Brains Impact Math Solution, was designed to be a marketing agency. So I served people, but it was conflicting with my job, because then I I would sneak out of my office to go do my agency job in my office. I had acquired an office. I paid 200,000 naira per annum for the office, but it was really difficult, because then I didn't know how to get clients online and all of that. So it was clashing. Okay, now the next, what really really catapulted my uh, my success for securing or seeking alternate income. The third is, at that point, my organization was going to start its or establish its online presence by creating its channels and all of that. That's when it sought the services of two consultants in the UK. And guess who was there to be the go-to person for these two consultants? Because I had prepared. I had prepared by reading Think and Grow Rich, and the Success Digest prepared me. So these two consultants from the UK, man, those guys trained me, but they didn't know they were training me. Okay, I listened, I learned everything I can from target audience. They were in the UK, and I was doing all the works here in Nigeria. I wasn't angry, because I knew I was learning, and it was going to be significant, okay, in my journey. So it really helped me. It opened my eyes to practical, hands-on, okay, mastering of social media management, audience targeting, content creation, and all of that. These three factors, this book, Think and Grow Rich, okay, opened me to the possibility that I can earn more, even outside my job. Success Digest magazine exposed me to the various possibilities that the online, okay, space provides. And then the two consultants, courtesy of my organization, really gave me the hands-on experience that I needed. These three factors, guys, really prepared me. And which was why I said, look, no way. If I'm going to go for an alternate source of income, it's going to be online. Because from these three uh, experiences, you could see I've garnered enough experience, enough knowledge, even though I am still gardening. But what better option do I have other than to go the digital or online space? So this is why I focus totally on uh, building multiple streams of income on the internet. Today, I sell my coaching business, I sell my skills, I package them in the form of a product or a service, deliver them excellently well to solve problems out there. And this is what I help people to do, especially if you have a 9 to 5 like I do. I still keep my 9 to 5 job, okay? But what I do on the internet does not interfere with my There's no disturbance. More so, if you are thinking of starting, perhaps you feel stuck in your job, you feel you want to earn more money, okay, but not from your job now, and you think you have the expertise, then I guarantee you the digital space is your best bet. You may say to yourself, I don't have the requisite experience. You could see all I did was just to prepare myself. Success Digest prepared me, and the consultant showed up. You know what they say about when the student is prepared, the teacher will show up. This is exactly what happened to me. Guys, just put your mind together and just decide, okay, that you want to create alternate sources of income. and I guarantee you, okay, as long as you keep putting in the work, and why not connect with me if you feel I can be of help to you. From all of these I've given you, the 3 factors, I think I have the expertise to coach you, to help you start off from the ground, do your niche research, do your product research, do your target audience research, and then launch your digital product. Believe me, it still remains for me one of the most effective ways, okay, or vehicles of building multiple streams of passive income. So this is my story in a nutshell, and I hope you are inspired to uh, start building your own, okay, streams of sustainable passive income on the internet. It is sustainable. You've heard my story, and thank you immensely for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel and you feel I can give you value, please do well to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.